let's look at some of the copyright and trademark tips for Amazon KDP. One thing that you need to understand is that Amazon KDP is very strict when it comes to copywriting and trademarking. Yes, and so you can publish your book or your content very well, but when they are cross-checking before they approve it and find that it has maybe copyrighted material, it won't be published. So now, tip number 1, only publish content you own or you have the rights to. So you must learn to create your own original content or content that you have legal permission to use it. Don't just copy content from a book, a blog, a website, or other authors, and you do not have the legal permission to do that. Tip number 2, don't use copyrighted images or fonts. Learn to use royalty-free or commercial use images. You can pick like maybe from Canva Pro, Creative Fabrica, Pixabay, and make sure the fonts are licensed for commercial use. Then public domain content is okay, but you must be careful. You can use public domain books like classic novels, but ensure you follow KDP's rules. Also modify or add value if others are publishing the same work. No copying or spinning books, so avoid rephrasing or summarizing someone else's book, because this will be considered as a copyright infringement. So I hope you've gotten the 4 points. So we've said publish the content that you have or you own or you have rights to. Don't use copyrighted images or fonts. Public content, domain content is okay, but be careful to follow KDP's rule. And then no spinning or copying of books. Then the trademark tips for KDP are: don't use trademarked words or phrases in titles or keywords. Let's say words like Harry Potter, Disney, Barbie, Nike, Marvel. All these are words which have been trademarked. Also phrases like dummies, chicken soup for the soul. These are trademarked words. Also be careful with niches like movies, brands, or famous characters. Avoid using names of shows, characters, products, or celebrities on book titles, covers, descriptions, or keywords. Don't do that. So do your research before you publish. You can use the USPTO trademark search tool for US trademarks, so that you can be sure that this word or this phrase which I am using, is it trademarked or is it not trademarked? You can also use trademarker.com for global brand checks. Also, some brand related holidays or events may be trademarked, like Super Bowl, Olympics, March Madness, big games, sports championships. All these have been trademarked, so it's good you be keen.